Hello. Welcome back to another highly intellectual discussion by Stock Picks Sam. We are gathered here today to explore cryptocurrencies and blockchain tech. This video will take a satirical yet informative approach, so please leave a like and subscribe for more insightful creations by yours truly. We can start by breaking it down into three main parts. First, we'll try to wrap your primitive brain around the concept of blockchain.
What?
Afterwards, we'll discuss the different ways you can invest in crypto.
Yeah.
And best for last, we will speculate as to how many tendies one can earn by trading internet coins.
Wow! Let me tell you guys that I am so excited. I am so happy. I am really so thrilled to be right now sharing this amazing, glorious, super and exciting moment of my life with all of you guys.
For this one, I've brought along another one of my friends, Zumazak. Zumazak will help us understand this Generation Z concept of blockchain and crypto.
Hello. I am Zumazak. I know everything about investments that boomers don't understand.
Zumazak has taught me a lot of things about crypto and blockchain. A blockchain is a digital record of transactions. The name comes from its structure, in which individual records called blocks are linked together in a single list called a chain. Blockchains are used for recording transactions made with cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, and have many other applications. Let's check out what Zumazak found.
In late 2008, a shadowy figure named Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper outlining how to get rid of the old trust system and replace it with a sort of trustless trust.
White paper in 2008 introduced Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was this concept of a decentralized ledger with a clear kind of financial currency focus. It's in a distributed ledger, and because of that distribution, no one person is in control of that record and doesn't have the opportunity to manipulate it. And it was this system that created sort of a virtual currency.
Okay, that's real.
And blockchain is the technology that sort of underpins that.
To this day, no one knows who Nakamoto is, or even if he or she is just one person. But the blockchain idea proved to be a powerful one. And it works like this. A block is simply a chunk of information, a record of something, like how much money you have. When it comes to money, that record is called a ledger. Let's say you have 4 coins. If something happens to change that record or ledger, maybe you buy something that costs 1 coin. A new block is formed and linked to the first one, and the first one is locked, and so on and so forth as you earn or spend more coins. The blocks can't be opened, and the links can't be broken, because they're codes that are incredibly difficult to break. So that keeps the information safe, trustworthy, you might say. But a blockchain includes yet another level of safekeeping. Instead of being tracked in one central place, like a bank, identical copies of the blockchain are stored on thousands or millions of independent computers, all of which can talk to each other. It's called a decentralized network. And with each new block, the chain is updated in every single computer on the network.
The world is not anymore the way it used to be. No. Be connected!
If you didn't catch any of that, it basically means that widespread use of blockchain will revolutionize accounting and contracting.
Wow. Stock Pick Sam. You are very smart.
I know. But what the viewer doesn't know is how to invest in blockchain and crypto.
Wow. Stock Pick Sam. You are breaking the fourth wall just to teach the viewer. So how does one go about investing in blockchain technology?
Of course, you can start off by simply buying Bitcoin, alternate coins, or better yet Dogecoins through any online service that offers you the ability to do so.
But Sam, there are alternatives besides buying crypto coins at all-time highs.
One way to have exposure to crypto without holding it is to invest in the stocks of companies that have cryptocurrency-related services or hold coins themselves. That includes a wide group of publicly traded businesses throughout different sectors that have either added Bitcoin to their balance sheet or have services for storing or paying with cryptocurrency. Recently, companies such as Tesla and MicroStrategy have directly invested in Bitcoin. Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and said it would soon accept the digital currency as payment. Another way that investors can get exposure to cryptocurrency is by investing in publicly traded companies that have technology related to trading coins or use blockchain. In addition, companies such as Riot Blockchain and Galaxy Digital focus on cryptocurrency and the underlying technology. And, big technology names such as Microsoft, IBM, Google, SAP and Amazon all use blockchain in different parts of their business. People could also invest in funds that have exposure to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, such as the ARK Next Generation Internet Exchange Traded Fund, for example. The ETF has exposure to things such as artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing and blockchain. Other examples include the recently launched Canadian crypto ETF. More than a quarter of Americans plan to invest in cryptocurrency this year, according to a February survey of more than 30,000 people.
We are coming, and we are coming in waves. We are starting, and we are going to actually go all over the world. We are belting the entire world.
I can see these sorts of investments going up a lot over the coming years. Stock pick Sam.
Yes, Zoomer Zach. Despite the extraordinary 300% plus gain in Bitcoin's price over the last year, mainstream adoption will grow in 2021. With each bull run, more investors enter the market for speculative purposes. This grows the user base and brings cryptos closer to the critical mass needed for more widespread adoption of cryptos for payments and other use cases. If you don't believe me, then I'm sure you'll trust this guy.
And I mean, first of all, I think people should not invest their life savings in cryptocurrency, to be clear. I think that's unwise.
And I said, but wait, I'm going to go to the bank, I'm going to get my Bitcoins, I'm going to actually put it into dollars. Here, they're right on the table.
But, I mean, if you want to sort of, speculate and kind of like, I don't know, maybe have some fun. I mean, there's a good chance that crypto is the future currency of Earth. Right. And then it's like, well, which one is it going to be? And maybe it'll be multiple. But it should be considered speculation at this point. And so, don't go too far on the crypto speculation front.
So disposable income is okay, but don't bet the farm on it?
Don't bet the farm on crypto.
Right.
Don't bet the farm on crypto, to be clear.
I hear you. Yeah. Does it matter that Dogecoin was invented as a joke? Is the technology still there for it too?
No, I think it's actually, the point is that Dogecoin was invented as a joke, as essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. And that's why I think there's like an argument, like fate loves irony. Like the most entertaining outcome is what would be the most ironic outcome? That the currency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency.
Right. Oh, wow. No, absolutely. So, to the moon.
To the moon.
You still believe it? Let me tell you guys that I started 137 days ago with only $25,610. And right now I am reaching $140,000. Whoa, what's up?
Wow. Stock pick Sam. That was an amazing summary of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, if I may say so myself.
Thank you for your help, Zach, and thank you, viewer, for watching another video by Stock Pick Sam. I hope you consider yourself slightly evolved now that you have a basic understanding of blockchain and how to invest in it. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this coming soon. Leave a comment as to what stocks and topics you'd like to see next.
So guys, I want to tell you something. Faith and belief is the one thing that we all need to be able to change the world. And right now I believe that in this room we have the seed that's going to germinate and it's going to explode into an amazing opportunity for us to change this entire world. I am so proud, I am so honored, I am so excited to be here right now. And let me tell you something, that each and every one of you has the opportunity to become like those amazing people that we know here from Vietnam. Hey, my people from Vietnam. making so much money that they can probably have a real hard time counting it. So guys, let me tell you, I